Hey guys, so I recently got a VR headset and found that, it was hard to type in JDAM coordinates or JCL coordinates, waypoints, stuff like that from the F10 map and translate it to the UFC in the Hornet with the keyboard. So I found a way to use the Scratchpad as well as the VoiceAttack application in conjunction with each other so that you can pop into your F10 map and be able to write down using your voice coordinates and bring those coordinates to your UFC without having to without having to even touch your keyboard. So hands-free coordinate transcribing coordinates without having to touch the keyboard. So I'll show you the capability that VoiceAttack and Scratchpad has now in DCS. Hey guys, so we're here over the Nevada desert. We've got a few targets off in the distance. And what I'm gonna show to you guys is I'm just gonna display like how Scratchpad works with, and you're gonna hear me speak a lot of verbal commands, and you'll be able to see the capability that Scratchpad has within DCS. So, and what I'm basically gonna do is go into the F10 map and get coordinates onto the Scratchpad. So here we go. Scratchpad. Change coordinates.
Done.
Change coordinates.
Done.
Right.
Ready.
North 37 34 775. West 116 55 152. Transcribe.
Done.
As you can see, 37 34 775 West 116 55 152. So now what you can do is come back into the pilot view. You can move this wherever you want. I like to keep it kind of off to the side here. It is a little hard to see, but it's better than having nothing. And let's say, you could type in whatever you need into the dial pad here. And then once you're done, just so it's easier to see in the F10 map, so I'll do it here. Clear Scratchpad.
Cleared.
Oh, sorry. So you have to have access to your mouse with your hand. Select the window. Clear Scratchpad. Clear Scratchpad.
Cleared.
Close Scratchpad. So there are also other commands that VoiceAttack has that you can set up. It doesn't have to be primarily for Scratchpad. So for instance, if I do an external view, you can see I have this blue label. Sometimes you want it, sometimes you don't want it. So if I say the key phrase, all labels,
Done.
Scratchpad can take them away instantly. And if I want them back, all I have to say is the same key phrase. All labels.
Done.
You get the done audible feedback, and if we go back, you can see it's there. So, just some cool things that VoiceAttack can help you out with. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to install VoiceAttack and Scratchpad, and then how to set it up properly to be able to do the same thing that I just showed you in DCS. So what you're going to want to do first is open up a web browser, go to Motor City Pit Vipers, hit the forum, go down to FAQ, help and training guides, and if you're watching this video, there should be my post up here with all the links you need, but because it's not up yet, we'll go into Dark Helmet's post. He has the GitHub link for Scratchpad. So if we click on that, what you're going to want to do is up here, this green button that says code, hit the download zip button. And that will download Scratchpad onto your computer. You're going to have to unzip it and follow the install instructions, basically copying the scripts folder into your DCS saved games folder. So I can help you guys with this. If you're having trouble, just let me know. But once you have this installed, what you're going to want to do next is open up a new tab, type in VoiceAttack, just like that. Should be the first link. You're going to want to click here. Now there's two buttons. There's download and there's purchase. So what the difference between the two, download basically gives you one profile with 20 commands, and purchase gives you multiple profiles with unlimited commands. So I recommend doing purchase because it helps out the website and everything, but if you can also just click download and it'll bring you to the bottom. So all you have to do is come on this website. If you want the free version, come down and click on this large save icon. When you do that, it'll start downloading onto your computer. Okay, so now that you have Scratchpad and VoiceAttack installed, or once you do have it installed, you want to come up to your VoiceAttack shortcut if you created one, and you can just open it up, and this is the window you're gonna see. There might be a few other windows when you first install it for like an introduction, but once you get through the introduction, you should see this window pop up. You can see also that it's trying to listen to my voice and decipher what I'm saying, but this profile section should be empty for you. Right now it says DCS F18 because I created that. That's the profile I use for Scratchpad. I only have that. That's my only profile. So what you're going to do is, on the form link, you're going to see this. There's going to be a VAP file that I posted, DCS F18 PCAR. VAP stands for VoiceAttack Profile. So this is the profile that I currently use, and you can import it yourself and adjust it to how you choose. So if you click on this little pencil icon, these are all the spoken commands that I've created. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 spoken commands. And over here on the right side, these are the actions and inputs that I put in. So if you say this word clear, it'll perform this action. So if we go into here, so if I say the words clear Scratchpad, or since there's a semicolon here, or if I say the word clear, it'll perform this action, and that action is VoiceAttack will press left control A, which selects all the text on the Scratchpad, and then it will press back key and hold for 0.2 seconds and release. So that'll basically clear the Scratchpad of all text, and then you'll hear verbally the words cleared from VoiceAttack. Now, in parentheses where it says multi-part, that means there are multiple spoken commands for the same action. So when we click on clear, up in the when I say tab, where it says clear Scratchpad semicolon clear, if I say either of these words, it'll perform the same command. So exit also has a multi-part. If we look in there, if I say the words close Scratchpad or exit, this command will be enabled. So that's it. So now to import, all you have to do is come down to import commands, click, and then it's going to bring up a browser it's going to want you to browse to find that VAP file. So on the forum, just find my DCS F18 BCAR VAP. So I'll show you what I mean. You go to desktop. Here it is. Click on it. Open. And you're going to get this prompt. And it's basically saying which one of these spoken commands do you want? Do you want all of them? Do you only want a few? So you can select which ones you want. Let's say you don't want my all labels command, check that off, and then click import, and it'll basically just shoot it right into your profile here. And you can delete from here as well if you want. But that should be it. Just you know, in conclusion, you want to download, make sure you download Scratchpad off of GitHub, then download VoiceAttack off of VoiceAttack's website. Go through the setup for both of those applications, and then go on the forum. You'll see that I posted my VoiceAttack profile. Go down to import commands. Basically, click on the downloaded VAP file I provided, and boom, Bob's your uncle. So that's all you got to do. All right, see you guys.